Parang wala na yata akong masabi.
Sabi mo kung okay na. Okay na.
Wish ko lang, sis, na sana iyak ako.
Oo, normal yun sa amin, mababalo, anak. Pero to kakayanin ko, hindi ako iyak.
Anyway, kahit sino man may plano, alam ko, pinagandaan nyo to. Wala akong masabi kundi magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Sa totoo lang, lagi na lang ganito. Surprise!
Surprise ka ba, ma?
Noong 60 years ko, ganito rin. Kaya, salamat na lang, salamat. At salamat sa lahat ng nandito. Tuwa ako, nakita ko yung mga mukhang ang tagal ko nang hindi nakikita.
Pretty woman, don't walk on by. Pretty woman, don't make me cry. Pretty woman, don't walk away. Okay.
Hi, Sis Ludi. Happy 78th birthday. Sana'y maging maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan na ito. At sa iyong tinahangat ko sa iyong kalusugan ay manatiling malusog. Happy birthday ulit, Chan Ludi.
Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come.
She walking back to me. Yeah, she's walking back to me.
Even though we don't see each other often, the memories we've created over the years have meant everything to me. Your kindness, wisdom, gentleness, and most importantly, your unconditional love has taught me to always treat others with the same love and compassion you've shown me. I'm so lucky to have you in my life, and I wish for many more special memories to come. You deserve all the happiness in the world. I love you so, so much.
So, binabati ni kita ng maligayang kaarawan. I love you, sis. Miss kita. Huwag ka nang aalis.
Hindi niyo po kami nakakalimutan. And wishing you more birthdays to come. And sana maging healthy ka po. Thank you.
isang maligayang kaarawan. At talaga, sis, miss na miss kita. Miss na kita. Asan ka ba ngayon?
We pray for your continued success in life, filled with happiness, great health, and love from those that truly appreciates you. Mahal na mahal ka namin at tandaan niyo pong lagi kayong may lugar sa aming mga puso. God bless po. We love you, Chang Ludi.
Sana maging maligaya ka sa araw na to. At nandito, kumpleto tayong magkakapatid. At sana magkita-kita pa tayo sa mga iba pang mga pagtitipon.
We are so blessed to have a sister like you. For marami pong taon na pinagsamahan namin as a community, Neo community. Ngayon nasa Canada ka na. So, wish for you is more good health, more financials para makashare to others.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola. Thank you for the love, support, and wisdom that you give us. And thank you for always being there for us. And for all the memories we've had together. Happy birthday.
Wish ko lang naman sa'yo ay maging healthy ka palagi. Hindi. Sana mas mabuhay ka pa ng matagal para mas makasama kita. More birthdays to come. Yun lang. Love you.
Mare, ngayon lang tayo nagkita-kita dito sa Lindil. Simulang bata pa tayo galing tayo sa sa Pasay, sa Librisa. Ngayon, matanda na rin tayo, dito na tayo kita. Happy birthday!
We're so happy for Ludi for reaching that age. Bihirang nakakaabot niyan, ha? But God's blessing. So, wish you all the best, no? At wish you happiness, long life. We love you. Maging healthy. Salamat sa lahat. Sana makapag-alaga ka pa ng maraming apo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Birthday, Lola. Thank you for always being so supportive, loving, and caring. Ever since me and my Arthur were little, you always took care of us, which I appreciate so much. Even though we only get to see each other for the little times we visit the Philippines, you have done so much for me, and I will never forget the millions of memories we have cherished throughout the years.
behalf of our whole family, we would like to thank each and every one of you for celebrating with us this milestone of our dear Mama, celebrating with us her 70th birthday. Without all of you, this event would not be possible. So maraming salamat po for making the time and effort na makapunta po dito to celebrate with us.